Hey folks, how are you doing? It's back here at Colosso Breaks, and we are doing a box break of Topps 2025 30-year anniversary of MLS Soccer. So it's MLS 30th Anniversary Collection Edition. It's one pack per box. Little ones, these are little special Topps products here. We got this. Then we did a box last time. I think we got an auto. So we'll see what we get. It's the MLS Soccer League, Major League Soccer, I believe, right? And so for the past 30 years, collection of the world's most talented players, dedicated fans, MLS into what it is today. MLS is a celebration of leagues past and present and future. All right, let's see what we got. Our last box here. Pack there. All right, starting off, here we go. We got Diego Rossi, Columbus Crew. Diego Rossi. Just the base. We got Tab Ramos. Tab Ramos. New York, New Jersey. Metro Stars. Metro Stars, New Jersey. All right. We got a Clint Dempsey from the Seattle Sounders. We got him last time, I think. We got a Kevin Sullivan, Philadelphia Union rookie. We've got a Dennis Bowananga, Banga, 2024 Best Anniversary Accolades. Best 11, huh? Got a Anniversary Accolades Preki, 1997. Best of all. Kansas City Wizards. 1997. There you go. Here is a. Oh, whoa. I'm not sure, but is that a Superfractor? Oh man, I don't know. That's gonna be shit for last. Got a Carlos Valderrama, Tampa Bay Unity, 23 out of 25. Man, look at that hair, nice. Wow, luscious hair there, curly, puffy like that. Wow. Carlos Val, corner there. All right. I wonder if this is a Superfractor. It might not be, but let's save it, I guess. We'll go right to the auto. How about that? 49 out of 50. Jose Altidroy from Toronto. Nice auto. 49 out of 50. Jose Altidroy, Toronto. Nice auto there. I wonder if that's a Superfractor underneath here. Could be. That's a nice one here. All right. Let's go with Seattle Sounders 2019 champions. Decades of honors. Decades of Honor San Jose Earthquakes 2001 champions. Got a Lucho Acosta, Dallas. Let's see, Dallas. Got another Kaká, Orlando City. Diego Luna. Didn't we get him too last time? Alright, let's see what we got here. If this is a Superfractor or what this is. It's a decade. If it is, it's a decade Superfractor. Maybe not. I don't think it's not a Superfractor. Alright, so this is a decade Real Salt Lake 2009 champion. Let's see what this is. Anniversary of no, what Anniversary accolades, 1/1 Superfractor of Dennis Bauanga. If I pronounced that wrong, please tell me, but wow. Look at that. 1/1. Nice. 1/1 Superfractor. Wow. That's cool. Oh, Superfractor. Well, it's good, bad, or what, but it's something. Nice. Well, there it is. Dennis Bauanga, 2024 anniversary accolades. 1/1 Superfractor. One of the game's most dynamic scorers. Dennis had a career year back in 2024. Coming off of an incredible 20-goal campaign in 2023, the striker tallied another 20 goals, 11 assists to boot, earning All-Star and Best of honors for a second consecutive season. Bauanga has been at the core of the LAFC offense since arriving in 2022. Wow. All right. 1/1 Superfractor. All right. Wow. So we got some. That's nice. You know, always nice. You get a Superfractor. All right, folks. That's it. That was exciting. That was our last box of the MLS 30th anniversary from Topps. We got that real quick too. We got 2 boxes. The case was sold out. All right. Don't forget to give us a like, a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel here at Colosso Breaks, and we will see you next time. Bye.